Hey guys, it's Mary Ellen. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be doing a flip through of the Good Habits planners. So they're going to be the same. I have a big one here and a classic, and I'm going to be showing you what's inside. So if you're interested in seeing that, keep watching. So I'm really interested in these planners. They're definitely different from what we've seen before, and they're very goal oriented. So this is like to help you with your healthy habits, your good habits, your goals, just to kind of like put your life in a positive direction. So I'm just going to dive into this classic one. I think that the big is going to be exactly the same as the classic. Yeah, so I don't have to show you both. I'm just going to show you the classic because it's easier for you to see on the camera. So like I said, this is a vertical layout. It is for 2021, January through December. This cover is really pretty. And this disc color is really interesting and different. Like if I were to describe this color, I'd probably call it wheat. I was thinking about that. I'm like, because I was trying to describe it when I did my Squad Mentor box unboxing, and I was like, what is it, tan? No, it's like actually like wheat in my opinion. And then on the inside we have these like cute little diamonds. So let's check out this planner. It's a different layout, so it's called the Good Habits layout, and it says our Good Habits planner makes it easy to focus on starting new habits or changing old ones while taking care of daily to-dos, tasks, and appointments. So it's kind of like a wellness goal setting planner combined with like a regular planner, I guess. But let's see. Let us see. So here's your calendar. I like the color already. It's like this, it's like kind of a gray. And then we have like a gray and peach theme here for your year at a glance pages. And then this is what the currently page looks like. So it says set a goal, choose a habit, make it, break it. Action steps, list 2 ways you expect to achieve this goal. Reflect, what worked last month and how can you carry out those strategies into this month's goal? So I think it's really good. You know how I did that? I don't know if you know, but I did a self-care challenge for the year where I did have one goal for every month as like a self-experiment type thing. This will be perfect for that. Say January, you want to drink more water, like you want to drink 8 glasses of water every day in January. That's your habit, water, okay? So you're focusing on one thing at a time, and it's breaking it down into steps. And then you can reflect on the things that did or did not work. So I think this is really good, and it's going to help you achieve these goals. Okay, so January, this is like copper foil. It says control your destiny. And then here on the monthly page, we have these 3 blocks of like 3 bullet points each. And then this is the what do they call it? Good Habits layout. And this is different from what we've seen, right? Definitely different. We've got, instead of breaking out the top into, so we don't have 3 boxes, we have 2, and one is really long. And then the bottom one is going to be tracking the daily progress of your goal for the month or for the week. There's a check-in here. It says, how are you making progress? This week's focus. I do like this font. I like these little star plus signs here. I think it's really cute. I'm hoping that it's a different color every month. I guess it might alternate between this like greenish gray and the peach. So let's see. So same thing for February. February, small changes can make a big impact. This is a really cool color palette that we haven't seen before. We have not seen a lot of browns from the Happy Planner. It's like, it's seeming very trendy and kind of neutral, which I like. It's a little more grown up than what we're used to, which I like. It's different. So here, like I said, it's like that green-ish. Is it greenish or bluish gray? I don't know. And then we're back to the peach. So it will alternate back and forth. There's gold foil on here. In these new planners, I've noticed they have been mixing a lot of foils, like from divider to divider, which is kind of cool. This says work on you for you. This is really pretty. There's no better time than now. Good things are coming. I love that. Make happiness a habit. This is your year. Be loyal to your future. There is power in kindness. So it's a very peaceful layout. And this is like foil, and it has those little star diamond thingies. Motivation is what gets you started. Habit is what keeps you going. So it's kind of like a Zen layout. The design is kind of Zen, you know, like reminds me of like, I don't know, just meditating or something. Okay, so then you have that little note section in the back. And then the back pretty much just looks like the front. So I think this is really good if you've got, oh, the back is like different. So this front is gold foil, and then the back is like light gray. So I think it's really good if you have a lot of big goals, and it's going to help you break it out into steps, keep on track, and all of that. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Like I said, it does come in big and classic. I don't think it comes in mini, but don't hold me to that. And I will put a link in the description box. And also I'll put a general affiliate link there too. So if you're going to be shopping the new releases on Thursday, I would appreciate it if you would use my link, because it doesn't cost you anything. But hold on, I'm going to tell you where else you can get this. It's available also at Michael's, but I don't know if they're at Michael's yet. I know my Michael's does not have anything out yet. So yeah, let me know what you think, and I'll see you in my next flip through. There's a ton of them on YouTube right now, and there's more to come. All right, see ya. Bye.